Honey, you are the only one I love and have. I can't go back to my past. They suffered me and broke my heart, and I told her not to ever be seen in my life again. We met and I left in love with you and am willing to love you forever, but you always thinks negative about me, which I don't like because I don't chat or see other women. I have a lot of things doing. I have my kids, the orphanages, mountain hiking, horseback riding, going to the seahorse, and many more do too. Rather than seeing other women, if I am abroad at home, I calls my uncle or I goes to my parents' house and stay with them. So I want you to know that this only you are my strength. You are not only the sails that steer my ship, but you are also the waves below that cry me. Without you, I would care to have a backbone as you are the entire foundation holding me up. I could never think of a day where you are not with me. I imagine if that day came, I would become weak. I would crumble into a crowd, but together we are strong, we are unstoppable. That is why I love you. Listen to me, okay? I am in love with you. I love you every second of the day, and I never loved anyone as I love you. I cry over you not because I am in pain, but because I feel so blessed that I just can't hide my emotions. You are on my mind every moment. I never missed anyone as I miss you. You are someone special to me. Please be with me forever and never. Before I meet you, I didn't truly understand what it meant to love someone. Now that we are together, I can't imagine what life would be like without you. I love you so much. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you, fighting with you, any knowing you all I want in turn is for you to hold my hand forever. You are mine and I am yours. I want to thank you for giving me a piece of your heart. You are amazing in every possible way. You have always been my biggest supporter and fan. You always had my back, and in your eyes I can't do nothing wrong, which has built my confidence throughout my life. Thank you, darling, for loving me unconditionally and forever. You have made me the man I am today, and I will always love you with all my heart. People say they would love to have a wife that would do anything for her husband. I have that in you, and I appreciate all that you do and have always done in my life. You will be the love in my heart to eternity. You are my match made in heaven. There is never a second where you are not there to lift me up when I need you to. I am so incredibly fortunate to have crossed paths with you in the beginning. It has brought us to this beautiful point in our lives, a point where I find that I cannot wait to build with you, grow with you, and face the future with you. You are everything I could ever want in a woman. I will never want anything or anyone else, that I can promise.